Title: Things to check before buying a laptop. Introduction. Considering a new laptop, make sure you check these important factors before you make your purchase. Scene 1. Design and build quality visual. Show various laptops with different designs and build materials. First, consider the laptop's design and build quality. Look for a sturdy construction that suits your style and usage needs. Scene 9. Reviews and reputation. Visual, displaying user reviews and ratings. Finally, read reviews and check the laptop's reputation. Feedback from other users can provide valuable insights into performance and reliability. Conclusion. By checking these factors before buying a laptop, you can ensure that it meets your requirements and enhances your computing experience. Outro.